Today I like to show how can we create a messenger group. So let's begin. First of all, we connect data cable, then click on messenger apps, then open this interface. Now we need to tap on I button, which is stay top of the right side. Here it is. After tap on I button, open this page. We need to select the person who are selected for this group. You choose 3, 4, 5, 6 person as per your choice. I select here 3 person. Then we need to tap on OK button, which is stay top of the right side. Here it is. After tap on, group will created. Here it is, already done. Now we can select the group name. Tap on here. After tap on, we can select the group name and write down here. Then we click save option. After tap on, group name will add it, and again we think some people are added in this group. Then tap on add people and select the person. Here it is. Choose the person and click add button also. Then software will send this type of message for permission. Then click add button and the person are added newly. So enjoy the tricks and subscribe our channel and press the bell button also for our next update video. And thanks for watching the video. Enjoy.